Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Artemis Medicare. We maintain positive view with 25% upside as margins have improved from 13% in FY23 to 15% in FY24, primarily due to commissioning of second tower in its flagship hospital in Gurgaon and turning one asset-light center profitable. Going forward with fully operational of two towers, economics of scale and reduction in losses at asset-light centers to aid margin expansion. Artemis has aggressive capacity expansion plan of increasing the total bed count to 2,000 in 5 years. We expect the total operational bed to reach 1,387 by FY26, which will translate into a 36% sales CAGR and EBITDA growth of 53% CAGR from FY24 to 26 to Rs 323 crore. Such aggressive growth will be driven by economies of scale from two towers in Gurgaon, commercialization of Tower 3 in trenches, reduction in losses from asset-light centers, operational cost rationalization. The stock trades at an EV by EBITDA of 13 times its FY25 and 8.4 times its FY26 earnings. Next, we have an update on Asian Paints. Our analyst upgrades rating on Asian Paints from hold to buy with a revised price target of Rs 3,385. The stock trades at 51 times FY25 and 45 times FY26 EPS, which is a discount to its historical average, making risk-reward favorable. Prudent capacity expansion plan, sustained innovation, backward integration, and improving customer experience will help Asian Paints navigate through the tough times of heightened competition in the near term. Operating profit margin will remain flat over the next 2 years. Contribution from new launches came in at 11% in FY24. It aided 16 products in decorative and industrial paints respectively in FY24. In-house manufacturing capacity is expected to increase to 26.7 lakh kiloliter per annum from 18.5 lakh kiloliter per annum at FY24 end. Cash flow generation stayed strong with free cash flow at Rs 2,400 crore. Working capital cycle improved by 10 days to 42 days in FY24.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.